Welcome. Today we will look at the different ways you can add a customer. To start collecting automated payments from your customers, you'll need to request that they complete a direct debit mandate. This is a simple form your customer completes that authorizes you to collect payments from them. You can easily add a customer to your account by clicking the Customers tab and selecting Invite Customer. Under the Share option, you can copy and paste a link to send to your customers via email, WhatsApp, or SMS. You also have the option to add a payment here. If you're meeting new customers in person, you can download and display a QR code to make sign-up simple. When we open this link, we can see the form that our new customer Oliver will see when he clicks on the link or scans the QR code. If you prefer, you can also send an email to your new customer through the dashboard. And you can add a customized message. To add customers in bulk, you can import your customer from a CSV file. You can download a template to make sure your customer information is formatted correctly to import into the dashboard. Lastly, you can manually enter your customer's information if you collected it via a paper mandate or a form. You will need to enable this option with our customer support team. Once you've added a customer and they've completed the sign-up form to create their direct debit mandate, they'll receive an email like this to confirm their mandate creation. You'll also be notified via email, and you'll be able to see their mandate here in the dashboard under the Customers tab. That's it. You're all set to start seamlessly collecting automated payments from your customers. Thanks for watching.